All right, boys, we're back with another video. In this video, we're going to be doing another weekly recap. Going to go over every single trade that I took this week and explain all of the trades I took in depth so you guys can watch this, see exactly the way I was seeing the market this week, and learn something and maybe apply it to your own trading. So, let's get into the vlog. Wait, not a vlog, sorry. But this was a great week for me. I'm up like 10K on the week. I'm up like 2K across all my top sub accounts. And then some, I don't know. I don't think I took anything on the alphas because I think I just needed winning days on my alphas, so I didn't take anything. So let's start with Monday. So, if you guys saw my trade recap from Monday, posted a trade recap because it was actually like my biggest day ever. This is the wrong Monday. Oh, what am I doing? I'm sorry, guys. Here. Okay. This was Monday. So going into the day, I mean, if you guys already saw my trade recap, then you don't need to watch this part of the video. But going into the day, we had these highs. I mean, overall, we were right here off open, so I was expecting it to be bullish because of this big 4-hour bullish wick we put in overnight. Plus, we had really good draws higher, so it was very bullish going into market open. So with that in mind, off open we get a dump lower. We fill a 30-minute gap off open. Fill this 30-minute gap right here, and then immediately we eat up that entire candle with one monster candle right here. So this candle was super confirming to me. So this is the trade I took. It was like this. Okay. So this is the trade. It was a monster trade, I can't lie. And I made like 1.5K per account. So very big day for me. Biggest day ever. Monday was super clean. Again, this 931 candle is all the confirmation that I need that this was going to be a bullish day, especially because the targets were very, very clear as well. So that was Monday, very simple day, clean longs. Now let's go into Tuesday. Tuesday was another green day. Going into the day, I was very bullish. We had these highs and then these highs. So you can see these highs are extremely obvious and extremely strong. So don't need to mark these. This was a main draw on liquidity, super clear draw. And so this was actually a very clean trading day because it was a very clean higher time frame. We had this 4-hour gap that I wanted to see filled off open, which is what we did. We filled this gap. And then I wanted to see us bounce off that forward gap and get confirmation higher because the draw was super free. So once we filled the 4-hour gap, I was pretty much just waiting for any confirmation that we wanted to go higher off there. So we filled it and then started getting these 3 candles, and I entered halfway through this candle right here, targeting the draw up here, stops right here. And this is an absolutely gorgeous trade. No, it is not your classic, continuation bread and butter type of setup, but it is a discretionary trade that makes complete logical sense because this trade is based off of the idea that the 4-hour gap is going to push price to the external draw liquidity, which is extremely strong in this case, right? So this trade is more logical, more discretional, but extremely clean. So that was Tuesday's trade, extremely clean trading day. Wednesday was chopped, I think. I'll just go to the 5-minute. Wednesday was just nothing, I don't think. This is market open, and then we just did this, literally pulled that, and then started getting lower. But you can see that the legs here are not clean whatsoever compared to this. Wednesday was just literally a no trading day. Like literally, I could not sit there and tell you like there was trades to take. And then Thursday, unfortunate trading day because you can see this is Thursday, and I just did not catch a single trade. We had this draw, untapped daily gap. This draw, we had multiple draws lower, right? Untapped daily gap, super strong draw on liquidity. I was really open to shorting once we started dumping, but unfortunately, we literally did not get a single entry. I wanted to short this candle, like not really. I kind of just like saw it because we got to wake up and then reject it hard, but it felt a little bit too risky because it was pretty much off open. So it's not like Monday's trade, where Monday was so confirming because the draw plus the candles were much cleaner than this. This is a bit too risky for me, so stayed out of it. And as you can see, took the main draw, the daily gap, took the second draw, retrace, but again, the next draw is invalid. So that was Thursday. Pretty unfortunate because it was a trendy day. Just really couldn't capitalize. And then today was a no trade day. Going into the day, I mean, we had data lows, so that was like my main draw going into the day. I didn't really see anything else. And you can see up open, just chop, 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 and then eventually kind of got this sort of setup. Not really. This short right here, boom, boom. This is the short, but in my opinion, we are still in a range. We have not confirmed that we're going to leave this range yet because we haven't broken beneath these lows yet, and it's very easily possible that we're just going to fall back into the range. I've taken a trade like this before, aggressive entry towards data lows, and it never really works. You need to have good conditions with any setup you're taking. So this one, not a good trade. I stayed out of that one. And then we pretty much did nothing the rest of the day. Just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So overall, very, very clean, or not like amazing, but a clean trading week. Made some good progress on the accounts, good money. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the week. So, so yeah, that's the week. Up roughly 2K per account and roughly a 10K week, but that's just improper money. You guys know how it is. It's not like actual money yet, but yeah. So good trading week. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys want to work with me one-on-one, link in the description. If you guys want to join my community, the link's in the description for that as well. So other than that, guys, and if you guys want to get a discount for the best app in the game, TradingPal, look it up on the App Store. TradingPal is super, super helpful app that I'm now affiliated with, and they're honestly, I'm using it personally. You can track your morning routine, night routine. It literally, you can journal. It's a journaling software with AI integrated into it. So it's all the above, bro. Everything. It's the best trading app by far. So if you guys want a discount off that, use code EJ. But other than that, I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.